Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm going to be reviewing Eden by Estetica in one of my favorite reds of all time, the RT330RT4. I've gone on at length. I've waxed rhapsodically about how much I love this color, so I'm not really going to talk about it much here. You can kind of see for yourself that it's a transitional copper that starts off kind of dark, has dark brown roots, and then gets boom, copper at the bottom. It's really super pretty. But yeah, this is about Eden. So this is what Eden looks like right out of the box. And before I wear her, I'm going to comb her out just so she looks a little less wiggy. So I'm going to use my trusty wide tooth comb for this. Just going to loosen her up a little bit. I think that's probably good enough. Fluff her just a teensy bit. And now I'm going to go ahead and put her on. Wow, this wig has a lot of hair. So Eden's got a lot going on. The bang is 9 inches and is meant to be swept off to the side. It's also quite curled. The sides are 9.5. Again, they're very softly curled. The crown down is 12.5 inches. And at the nape, she is 12.5 inches as well. So she's quite long. There's a substantial amount of hair on Eden. The ponytail's about that big. And the weight is 4.76 ounces on Eden. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one off now so I can show you the cap construction. So the hair fiber feels great on Eden. She does have a lace front that's been hand tied and a monofilament top. She has a lot of permatease at the crown, that's why she has so much volume. Then she's open wefted on the sides, and at the back she has an extended nape with a hook enclosure, and then she's also got these closed cloth ear tabs. Let me show you that bump it in the back of Eden. It's substantial, and the hair sort of falls over it like so. So it's a pretty meaningful bump it in the back there. This is a wig that's meant to be sort of like 60s sex kitten hair a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back on. Oh, and take a look at the mono top while I'm here. There's that mono top. I'm going to go ahead and show you the lace front when I get it back on. This one's definitely fuller than the orchid, and it's got a lot more hair. It's definitely a lot curlier too. But what's really setting it apart is this big bump it in the back. It's way bigger than what you get with orchid. Here's that lace front. It's contoured lace front. It's a little sparse, but it gets thicker as you get towards the rest of the monofilament features. So there you have it. This is the Eden by Estetica in the color RT330RT4, which is one of my favorite colors ever. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. And you can see Eden and many other wigs like this at that particular website. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a really great afternoon. Bye-bye!